Hello everyone and welcome back to your piano lesson. If you are here for the first time, I am Gianluca Fronda, your virtual piano teacher. If you want to discover interesting facts about me, you can watch the introduction video of this channel. I'm leaving the link in the description of this video, where you will find also the link for my artistic channel, Gianluca Fronda, pianist and composer, if you're interested in original music and covers. Talking about this channel, don't forget to subscribe and let me know about yourself by commenting. Tell me when you have started, if you're finding my channel interesting and you're improving your skills also thanks to my videos. And don't forget also to share with your friends if there is anybody interested in piano music, anybody that you know. So now time to go to our lesson. Today is time to talk about Row on page 34 of John Thompson's Easiest Piano Course, Part 1. Very nice piece, this one, where you apply all the notes that you have learned until now. Indeed, there is again the G, same as in the previous two ones, because you have learned the G just two pieces before in the theme from the New World Symphony, and you have reinforced and empowered in bugles. Now, Row, there is nothing special that should be mentioned regarding this one, because at this stage you should definitely know everything. We have the 3 counts notes, we are in a 3/4, there are the ties, here and here, and nothing else. Okay, pay simply attention to all the notes. The hand position is the same, the classical Thompson Part 1 position, playing first at higher speed. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, stop. Now it's obvious that I have to play it slower. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, stop. It's obvious that if you want to sing along, it's even better. Yeah, obviously learn first counting and then you can sing. I repeated that at this stage you should definitely be able to recognize all the notes, and I'm expecting you to recognize all the notes. You should know the length of the notes, the value, and you shouldn't have any problem. But it's obvious that if you have any question, feel free to comment, and Gianluca will be happy to let you know, replying to your comments. If it's the first time you're landing on this channel thanks to this video, don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thank you, bye bye!